Just gonna show you guys how to install axle back Mishimoto. The weld broke on this one a little while back. Mishimoto actually sent me a warrantied one. Only spent $80 for shipping on it. So just gonna show you a quick video. Just gonna take off those clamps. We got new hardware. They actually gave me all new piping and axle backs, but we're not gonna do the actual mid pipe. We're actually just gonna do both axle backs, and shouldn't take that long. Just a little rust, not that big of a deal. They do not look, the new ones don't look like this, okay? The new ones look like that. New hardware. And we'll show you in a couple minutes. I'll have my buddy hold the video camera, and we'll show you how it gets done. Alright guys, so we took off the first one, and as pictured, you do see the weld broke. We didn't really show you this first time. We'll show you the next one. Well, we have a lot of rust. It was actually in there for about 4 years. So now we'll actually show you how we're going to put the new one in. And like we said, we're going to use new hardware and all that. And I actually should be using gloves, but I'm a noob. All right, guys. And then we have 2 rubber gaskets that we need to get, and we get that one, and we pull this one forward. And voila! Alright guys, just finishing up. We're going to show you how to install this one. Got the other one installed. No problems. So first you're gonna take the back one. And these are rubber gaskets. You're gonna slide the back one in, and then there's the front one. And they're a little bit maneuverable. And just like that, really simple. And then we're gonna actually use the new hardware supplied. And make sure you don't over tighten them, but just like that, in under 30 minutes, both axle backs installed and replaced, and the weld is gone. And Mishimoto does cover a lifetime warranty of their welds.